Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this Brave browser. So you can download this Brave browser in Play Store, on Play Store. After you download it, you can install it. So you can make this Brave browser as your default browser, but I prefer no because I want to try first. So there is a privacy status tracker and ad blocks, and also there is a VPN feature. You can tap on this Brave VPN feature, but you only can try 7 days free. So after that you have to pay the plan here. So just use this Brave VPN, and also you can search. This is like ordinary browser like a Google Chrome and so on, but there is a VPN feature that you can try for free in a week. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.